All right, today we're going to dive into the nerve center of modern manufacturing. We're talking about a single, powerful system that can take a factory from total chaos to complete control.
So let me ask you a question. What happens when a factory's left hand has no clue what the right hand is doing? Well, the answer is usually a disaster. Let's walk through a scenario that might sound just a little too familiar. It all starts here. The sales team is on fire. They close a big deal, and they confidently promise the customer a delivery date. The order's in, the customer's happy. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Well, here's problem number one. The production floor? They have absolutely no idea this order even exists. They're just working off of last week's schedule, completely unaware that a new top priority just landed on their plate.
Oh, and it gets worse. The folks down in the stores department, they know that a key material needed for this exact product ran out yesterday. But that critical piece of information is just stuck in their department, in their own little world.
So the end result is, well, it's totally predictable, right? You get delays, finger pointing, total confusion, and a very, very angry customer. That, my friends, is manufacturing chaos.
So how do smart companies avoid this chain reaction of failure? Well, it's simple. They give their factory a brain, a single coordinating brain. And that brain is called an ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, if you're going to remember anything, remember these two words, centralized and integrated. All it really means is that everyone, and I mean everyone, is looking at and working from the exact same information in real time. Honestly, this is the best way to think about it. Your brain sends signals to your arms and legs to make sure you can walk without falling over, right? An ERP does the exact same thing for a business, sending information to all the departments so the whole process works together perfectly.
And when we say everyone, we mean it. Sales, purchasing, stores, production, planning, accounts, quality control, the whole shebang. They are all plugged into one central system. No more separate spreadsheets, no more outdated info, just one single source of truth.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking. We use Excel and it's okay. And hey, Excel is a great tool, but as your business grows, okay isn't going to cut it. Let's look at why.
I mean, the difference is just night and day. With Excel, you're constantly fighting with manual updates, there's a huge risk of human error, and your departments just aren't talking to each other. An ERP, on the other hand, gives everyone real-time data, uses automation to slash those errors, and connects everything on one seamless platform where you can track every single move.
Come on, we've all been there, right? Staring at a folder with 5 different versions of a file, trying to figure out which one is the actual final one. That confusion is a classic sign you've outgrown your spreadsheets. It's just a recipe for disaster. And this is the most important thing to get. Excel is a tool. It's like a hammer. An ERP, well, that's a system. It's the entire engine that's designed to run the whole business. They're in completely different leagues.
Okay, enough talk. Let's see this thing in action. We're going to follow that same customer order from the beginning, but this time it's going to take a journey through an ERP system.
So, the second the sales team enters that order, a domino effect kicks off, but it's a good one. Instantly, every single department that needs to know knows. Planning sees the new demand. Stores can check the stock. If a part is low, purchasing gets an automatic notification. It all just happens. No phone calls, no running around. Then, when production starts, a work order is generated. As the operators on the floor finish their jobs, they enter their numbers right into the system. And the system automatically updates everything. Finished goods inventory goes up, your work in progress value goes down, and, get this, the accounting and costing teams see it all in real time. And what about the raw materials? The system knows the product's recipe. We call it the bill of materials. So the stores team issues the exact amount needed for that specific order. As soon as they do, the raw material inventory is automatically reduced. This prevents waste, ensures your stock counts are always accurate, and pretty much eliminates theft. And this, right here, is the holy grail. One single source of truth for the entire company. No more arguments over whose numbers are right. Everyone, from the top floor to the shop floor, is working from the same playbook, the same data, the same reality.
So we've seen the journey. We started with that chaotic factory where nobody was on the same page. Now, let's just admire the transformation.
Look at that contrast. You go from a culture of blame and bad data to one of total transparency and clear accountability. You stop guessing and you start making fast, smart decisions based on real data. You're not just reacting anymore,
You are in control.
So let's wrap up with the key takeaways. First, an ERP is that central system that Excel just can't be for a complex operation. Second, it connects all your departments instantly with real-time data. And finally, because of that, one single sales order can kick off the entire perfectly coordinated manufacturing chain, giving you true control.
And this really says it all. An ERP isn't just another program you install. It's the fundamental structure that holds your entire operation together. It's what allows your company to be strong, flexible, and efficient. It really, truly is the backbone.